Welcome to the Loot Stack, where today we're unboxing not just one, not two, but three Batman Cowls, courtesy of McFarlane Toys. These are the 1/3 scale replicas, and we're going to go over each one in detail, having a look around the box art, and obviously unboxing the main show itself. First up, we have the Batman The Dark Knight Returns cowl. We'll be comparing it with the other Dark Knight Returns cowl in a little bit. We're just going to check out the box art. As you can see, there's Batman in his full-on suit, giving Superman a bit of a run for his money there. Looks like there's a bit of a scuff mark on the front. Not really much to see on this one. Yeah, a tiny bit of grease there on the front. And the Dark Knight Returns. So let's see how that compares to the other Dark Knight Returns cowl. As you can see, it actually sits way taller if you're going to have these next to each other. And this looks more like the comic book style, very like matte finish, whereas this one looks much more realistic and gritty, with even a textured cowl. So I wouldn't say that they look very well together, that they don't really go together. I don't know, what do you think? Do you choose one over the other? But if you have a Dark Knight Returns collection, still this would be my preference if you have to get one. Okay, moving on to the next cowl, we're looking at the Court of Owls. This is one a lot of people have been waiting for. And there's the iconic image from, I believe it's the Omnibus series that I think I have. I'll just check that out really quick. You can see there's the Omnibus. And there's the cowl. They go perfectly together. But for my taste, if you're collecting all of these cowls, this one probably, even though it's one of the cleanest, is probably going to be one of the most generic, I would say. So let's get this out of the box. So here we are. This actually looks fantastic out of the box. So forget everything I just said. This looks absolutely incredible out of the box. I don't know what it is. Like the sheen. Got some definition in the shoulders. Just the way the angles and stuff catch the light looks really good. Got the white of the eyes on this one. Very nice indeed. We have Batman from Batman and Robin. Of course, this was the George Clooney era. He did one movie, and I think most people can agree it was the worst Batman movie to date. And you got the Batman and Robin symbol. I don't know why they did this before doing Batman Forever, because we've already got the Keaton cowl and now we've got this one. I know a lot of people want the Batman James Patterson cowl really badly, so I don't know why they did this one first. The mind boggles. So on the back there we can see the Batman and Robin. Famously, this was the the suit with the nipples, which we don't really want to talk about. But yeah, so they seem to be releasing one movie cowl alongside one of a comic book cowl and a more classic comic book cowl as well. So this is what they went for this time. I guess next time will be Batman Forever, but hopefully we can get the Patterson one. A lot of people have a Hot Toys figure that they'd like to put that next to, I think. Okay, so let's get this out of the box. And here we are up close with the Batman and Robin cowl. It's much longer on the head than the other cowls, or maybe it's the neck. On this one we do have the symbol as part of the cowl, just in black though. Whereas the Keaton 1989 one is in colour and pops a lot more. Because it's not a comic book, we've obviously got the cutout for the eyes, longer ears, and there we are. So, very nice. Let's just line those all up and compare them.